Well, thank you very much for all of you who stuck around till the end, and the feedback from you, especially the people who use Charm++, is very useful. I think we have a broader user community than here, but this community, the people who are here, represent the activist users, maybe active users, and the feedback is very useful. I expect at supercomputing this year and then at next year's workshop to be much even larger participation. Suggestions for next year's workshops are welcome. Please email them to us, to me, or to the group. And I think that's all I wanted to say. Thank you very much. And thanks to everyone who helped organize this. Chairs or chair in some way, and then a whole bunch of volunteers from PPL who helped them. Thanks. Say staff has been wonderful, and let's thank them. Relentless morning to evening support. So thank you very much.